Yeah, so here we are, Mark 1 unboxing video of the Nexus 7 from Google, manufactured by Asus. Everybody's been talking about it, but right now we're going to unbox it, so let's go. Nice, no fuss packaging. As you can see, just a box, no fuss, no frills, most likely made from recycled paper. Now I should point out that I've just put the kettle on for a cup of tea, so there it is, ready to go, waiting for the water. And I also have the must-have tool for all unboxers, trusty knife. Gonna flip this over because I believe it is sealed on this side right here. So again, going back to our trusty unboxing tool. Break the seal. Let's flip this bad boy back over. And get into the goodness. As you can see, front facing camera at the top, and on this protective screen shows you that you have your power, volume up, volume down on the right hand side of the device. Nice and fresh, brand spanking new. Just flip it over. Standard plastic packaging, trying to keep it pristine, and as always at the bottom there, made from recycled material. Let's put this off to the side one moment, see what's inside the box, the accessories. Okay, got the USB cord, which you use for syncing with a laptop or PC, and also to help charge the device. Warranty. Wall charger that you plug the USB cable into. And that's that. And like I said, no frills with the packaging. What you see is what you get, just enough to get the device to you. Let's get all this out of the way. There we have it, the device itself. Let's see if we can't get this out of the packaging plastic. You can see Nexus on the back. Feels like a nice texture, kind of grippy, but for some that might not be enough. You might want to get yourself a carry case or even a protective cover. Here we go. Switch this bad boy on. Google. As you can see, welcome screen fresh out of the box. Choose your location. For me, it's going to be the US. Select the Wi-Fi. There we have it. Should also point out, for those who don't know already, 1 GB of running memory. This is the 32 gig model for storage with the Tegra 3 processor, front and back camera. Gorgeous